So, good morning, students. So, children, yesterday we have started lesson number 21, antonyms, and I hope, children, you all have understood the chapter. And till D exercise we have completed, and I hope you all have completed the exercises also. Now, next is E exercise, that is, rewrite the following sentences replacing the underlined words with their antonyms. So children, you have to rewrite the sentence. Okay, you have to write the one more time you have to write the sentence, and underlined words you have to change. Okay, underlined words you have to change into antonyms. So first one, it is given here. Number 1, what you have told us is false. So correct answer is, what you have told us is true. Opposite of false is true. Now next one, number 2, Alam's car is old and small. So here means you have to write Alam's car is new and big. Opposite of old is you have to write new, and opposite of small you have to write big. Then number 3, Abir was absent. The teacher was displeased. So correct answer is Abir was present. Absent opposite is present, and the teacher was pleased. Displeased it is written now. You have to write in the opposite, so it will be a pleased. Now number 4, we agreed with him that it was possible to climb that hill. So correct answer is, we disagreed with him that it was impossible, impossible to climb that hill. Agreed, opposite disagreed, and possible, impossible. Okay. Now number 5, it is wise to go to bed early. So correct answer is, it is unwise, un. Okay, it is unwise to go to bed means late. Okay, the opposite of early is late. So it is unwise to go to bed late. Now children, next page, on page number 88. Now children, sixth one. It is written here, the girl was polite and pleasant and we were happy. So correct answer is, the girl was impolite, impolite and unpleasant, and we were unhappy. Okay, so opposite of polite is impolite, then pleasant, unpleasant, and happy, unhappy. Okay, so you have to rewrite the sentences. You have to write one more time all the sentences, and underlined words will be changed. Now next one, number 7, the door was almost empty for few had turned up. So the correct answer is, the room was almost full and many had turned up. So opposite of empty is full, and few opposite is many. Then number 8, I love seeing movies with happy endings. So correct answer is, I hate movies. I hate seeing movies with unhappy endings. So love opposite is hate, and the happy opposite is unhappy. So I hate seeing movies with unhappy endings. Now next one, number 9, this bed is not as comfortable as the chair. So correct answer is, this bed is not as uncomfortable as the chair. Okay. Children, 10th one. Children are told that it is safe to talk to known persons. So the correct answer is, children are told that it is unsafe to talk to unknown persons. Okay, unsafe, unsafe, and unknown persons. Okay. Now 11th, Rajan was very careless and made many mistakes. Okay, then correct answer is, Rajan was very careful. Opposite of careless is careful. and made few mistakes. So opposite of many is few. Now next is number 12. The pond is shallow and its water is bitter. So the correct answer is the pond is deep and its water is sweet. Okay. Again I will repeat. 12th answer is the pond is deep, opposite of shallow is deep, and its water is sweet. Now next one, F exercise we will do. So it is given here, give the antonyms of the underlined words. You may use words formed with the prefix un, in, im or dis. Okay. So write only the antonyms in your exercise book. So all the words it is given here, all the underlined words you have to change into a prefix. Okay. Then first one, as soon as I lit the lamp, the ghost appeared. So correct answer is appeared, opposite is disappeared. So please write here the blank space. Okay, all the space it is given here. Then I remember faces but not the names of people. So correct answer is I forget faces but not the names of people. So opposite of remember is forget. Now next one, the speech was long and uninteresting. So opposite of long is brief. Okay, brief or short. Okay, short and brief both are the correct answer. You can write any answer. Then uninteresting, opposite of uninteresting is interesting. Okay, interesting. Then number 4, slow and steady wins the race. So here correct answer is opposite of slow is fast. Okay, hasty or fast, both answers are correct. Then steady, it will be a unsteady. Then wins, lose. Okay, loses. So again I will repeat number 4. Slow, it will be a hasty or fast. Steady, then unsteady, then wins, loses. Okay. Now next is number 5. The room was big and comfortable. So the here big opposite is small and comfortable opposite is uncomfortable. Okay. Now next is 6th one. I thought what he said was correct. So opposite of correct is incorrect or wrong. Both answers are correct. Now 7th one, she was a rash driver and always disobeyed traffic rules. So opposite of rash is here careful. Okay, careful, and disobeyed opposite of is obeyed. Now 8th one, the young man was selfish and foolish. Nobody liked him. So opposite of selfish is unselfish, then foolish, wise, and liked, unliked. So children, opposite of selfish is unselfish, then foolish, wise, and liked, disliked. Now number 9, the king was kind and the people loved him. So the opposite of kind is cruel and love hated. Okay, opposite of kind is cruel and loved hated. Now number 10, the suitcase was small and light. So the opposite of small is big or large. Okay, both answers are correct, big or large. And the light, heavy. Okay, opposite of light is heavy. Again I will repeat in the number 10, the suitcase was small. So small opposite is big, large, and the heavy light opposite is heavy. Okay, so children, here we have completed the antonyms exercise, also last 2 exercises. So children, please complete these exercises in your book, and children, if you are having any doubt or any confusion, just ask to me. So thank you everyone, bye and take care.